Well now, welcome back to the channel, folks. Hey, so over the years, I've been collecting some World War II rifles. And I've been able to collect most of the major players. And what we have here is an Arisaka Type 99 Japanese World War II rifle. Chambered in 7.7 Jap. It's a caliber similar to the 30-06, sort of like a hunting caliber. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we? So I'm just gonna show you around the rifle here a little bit. If you want, there's plenty of videos out there that have lots of details on these rifles, you know, and what they came with, and how they were used and where they were used. I'll just give you a brief history of this particular rifle. This rifle I found at a local gun show, and these are pretty hard to find. These are pretty rare rifles nowadays. And I saw this one, and it was in really, really excellent condition. And the lady who was selling it said it was her husband's baby. It was his baby. So he took really good care of this rifle. He did clean it up. He did refinish it. Did an excellent job on refinishing this rifle. I kind of wish it was in all original condition, but it's not. I'd like to say this was a battlefield pickup, but it is not. I can't say that it is. However, I made her an offer. She called her husband, and he accepted the offer, and I brought the rifle home with me. I also was able to find a bayonet for this rifle, complete with scabbard. And the bayonet, believe it or not, was almost as expensive as the rifle. The only thing rarer than the rifle and bayonet combo is ammo. Finding ammo for this rifle is nearly impossible. So there you have it, folks. Japanese Arisaka Type 99. Get a closer look at that bolt. World War II original rifle. It's not a replica. It is a complete original rifle. Thanks for stopping by, folks.